Pad Thai is a signature stir-fried rice noodle dish originating from Thailand. The dish is a popular and widely available street food. Key ingredients include rice noodles, shrimp, tofu, and bean sprouts. These ingredients are combined with peanuts and a tangy tamarind sauce. Takoyaki is a popular Japanese snack consisting of ball-shaped dumplings. The dumplings are filled with diced octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger, and green onion. After cooking, takoyaki is typically topped with takoyaki sauce. Mayonnaise is also a common topping for takoyaki. Tacos al pastor is a popular Mexican street food. It features thinly sliced pork that has been marinated. The marinated pork is cooked on a vertical spit. The cooked pork is then served in small tortillas. Common toppings include onions, cilantro, and salsa. This combination of ingredients creates a flavorful and satisfying dish. Doner kebab is a popular Turkish dish. It consists of meat cooked on a vertical rotisserie. The cooked meat is thinly sliced. The sliced meat is typically served in bread. Various toppings are added to enhance the flavor. Doner kebab offers a savory and filling meal option. Tagine is a traditional Moroccan stew, slow-cooked in a unique earthenware pot. The Tajin pot's conical shape helps to circulate steam, tenderizing the ingredients. Key ingredients include meat, vegetables, and a complex blend of spices. The result is a flavorful and aromatic dish, deeply rooted in Moroccan cuisine. Pho is a traditional Vietnamese noodle soup. It is characterized by its flavorful and aromatic broth. The soup includes rice noodles as a key ingredient. Fresh herbs are added to enhance the taste and aroma. Pho typically contains meat, most commonly beef or chicken. It provides a comforting and satisfying culinary experience. Pani puri is a popular Indian street food. It consists of small, crispy, puri shells. These puri are filled with a flavored water. Tamarind chutney adds a sweet and tangy element. Chili and chaat masala provide a spicy kick. Potato, onion, and chickpeas contribute to the filling. Empanadas are a popular street food in Argentina. They are pastries that can be either baked or fried. Empanadas are typically filled with a variety of ingredients. Common fillings include meat, cheese, or vegetables. This makes them a savory and versatile snack option. Their portable nature makes them ideal for on-the-go consumption. Supli is a popular Roman street food. It consists of fried rice balls. These rice balls are filled with mozzarella cheese. They also contain meat sauce. The result is a crispy exterior with a gooey and flavorful interior. Hainanese chicken rice is a quintessential Singaporean dish. It features tender poached chicken as its main component. The dish includes fragrant rice cooked in flavorful chicken broth. A crucial element is the accompanying chili sauce, adding a spicy kick. Fresh ginger is also served, providing a zesty contrast. Together, these elements create a harmonious and delicious culinary experience. Ta to baki is a widely loved Korean street food. Its primary ingredient is chewy rice cakes. These rice cakes are simmered to perfection. The sauce base is a spicy gochujang blend. This creates a fiery and flavorful profile. Tatabaki is enjoyed as a savory snack. Koshari is a popular and widely available Egyptian street food. It is a layered dish combining several carbohydrate sources. The base typically includes rice, lentils, and macaroni. Chickpeas are added for protein and texture. A spicy tomato sauce, fried onions, and garlic vinegar complete the dish. Jerk chicken is a signature dish of Jamaican cuisine, celebrated for its unique flavor profile. The preparation involves marinating chicken in a special blend of spices. This marinade typically includes a combination of scotch, bonnet, peppers, allspice, and other herbs. The marinated chicken is then traditionally grilled over an open flame or wood fire. This grilling process imparts a distinctive, smoky, and spicy flavor to the chicken. Belgian fries are a popular culinary offering, particularly known for their unique preparation. The distinctive characteristic of Belgian fries is the double frying technique. They are commonly served in a paper cone, providing a convenient and traditional presentation. A variety of sauces are offered alongside, enhancing the crispy and flavorful experience. Halal cart chicken and rice is a popular street food in New York City. It typically includes seasoned chicken or lamb as the main protein. The meat is served over a bed of rice, usually yellow or basmati. A signature element is the creamy white sauce, often yogurt or mayonnaise based. Hot sauce is another common condiment, adding a spicy kick. This combination of flavors and textures makes it a beloved quick meal. Currywurst is a popular German street food. It typically includes sliced sausage as its base. The sausage is generously topped with curry ketchup. Curry powder is also sprinkled over the sausage. Currywurst is commonly served with a side of fries. It is a classic and widely enjoyed snack in Germany. Char kway teow is a popular Malaysian stir-fried noodle dish. The dish consists of flat rice noodles as its base. Key ingredients include prawns, cockles, Chinese sausage, and bean sprouts. All components are stir-fried in a savory sauce to create the final dish. Banh mi is a popular Vietnamese sandwich. It features a baguette as its base. Common fillings include grilled pork and pate. Pickled vegetables and cilantro are also essential components. Adobo is a popular Filipino dish known for its distinctive flavor profile. The dish typically features meat, most commonly chicken or pork. The meat is braised in a mixture of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and peppercorns. This braising process results in a savory and tangy taste. Adobo's unique combination of ingredients makes it a beloved staple in Filipino cuisine. Gado-gado is a traditional Indonesian salad. It is a combination of various boiled vegetables. The salad also includes tofu and tempeh as protein sources. A key component is the flavorful peanut sauce dressing. Gado-gado is both nutritious and flavorful. Bunny chow is a popular South African street food. It consists of a loaf of bread that has been hollowed out. The hollowed out bread is then filled with curry. This combination creates a unique and satisfying meal. Bunny chow offers a flavorful and filling culinary experience. Arancini are Sicilian rice balls, a popular street food. They are typically stuffed with ragu, mozzarella, and peas. The stuffed rice balls are then coated in breadcrumbs. After being coated, they are deep fried until golden brown. This process creates a crispy exterior and a flavorful, savory snack. Injera with wat is a staple dish in Ethiopian cuisine. It consists of injera, a spongy flatbread made from teff flour. The injera is served with wat, a flavorful stew. Wat can be made with various ingredients, including meat, vegetables, and spices. Injera with wat is often enjoyed as a communal dining experience. Kalevele is a popular Ghanaian street food. It is made from plantains that are spiced and fried. The dish provides a combination of sweet and savory flavors. It also features a subtle hint of chili. Kalevele is commonly enjoyed as a snack. Pão de queijo is a traditional Brazilian cheese bread. It is characterized by its small, round shape. The bread has a characteristically chewy texture. It is made primarily with tapioca flour, cheese, and milk. Pão de queijo is often enjoyed as a warm and comforting food.